What is the salary basis test for non-exempt employees? Imagine working hard all week and getting paid the same amount every pay period, no matter how many hours you put in. That's what the salary basis test is all about. It's a rule used to decide if an employee is exempt or non-exempt from overtime and minimum wage laws. The test looks at how the employee is paid and whether that pay is fixed or can change. If an employee gets a set amount of money each pay period that doesn't change based on hours or work quality, they pass the salary basis test. This is a key part of being classified as exempt. But if the pay can vary or is less than the required amount, the employee is likely non-exempt. Non-exempt workers are usually paid hourly, but if salaried, their pay doesn't meet the salary basis test. It's important because only employees who meet the test and other exemption rules are not entitled to overtime. If a worker is misclassified as exempt when they are not, employers can face penalties and owe back pay. For non-exempt employees, the law says they must get paid 1.5 times their regular rate for any hours worked over 40 in a week. The salary basis test makes sure workers get the right pay and protections. It's about ensuring that employees who are not exempt still receive fair wages for their work. To meet the test, the salary must be a fixed amount each pay period, not reduced for hours worked or work quality. If an employee earns less than the set threshold, they are usually non-exempt. Remember, just being paid a salary doesn't automatically mean someone is exempt. The pay and job duties both matter. Employers need to carefully check that their employees meet all the rules to avoid legal trouble. In short, the salary basis test helps keep wage laws fair by clearly separating those who are entitled to overtime and those who are not. Non-exempt employees do not meet this test or other exemption criteria, so they are protected by minimum wage and overtime laws. This rule is a vital part of wage and hour compliance, making sure workers are paid correctly for their hours.